Sneezing is a natural reflex of the body that occurs when irritants enter the nasal passages. The purpose of sneezing is to expel these irritants from the body in order to protect the respiratory system. When irritants such as dust, pollen, or bacteria enter the nose, the body's immune system responds by sending signals to the brain to trigger a sneeze. This causes the muscles in the chest and abdomen to contract, forcing air out of the lungs at a high velocity. The sudden release of air through the nose and mouth helps to remove the irritants and clear the nasal passages. Sneezing is a common and necessary bodily function that helps to keep the respiratory system healthy and free from harmful substances.